Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Have you ever felt stressed because of schoolwork, exams, and expectations from others? If so, you are not alone. My name is Hafid Shahli, and today I would like to talk about an important issue for teenagers, academic pressure. Now, let me share my main idea about this topic. Nowadays, many teenagers face high academic pressure at school. They are expected to get good grades, pass difficult exams, and make their parents proud. In my opinion, too much pressure is harmful because it can affect their mental health and personal development. That is why this issue needs more attention. There are a few reasons why academic pressure becomes a serious problem. First of all, heavy schoolwork can cause stress and anxiety. Many students feel mentally tired and find it hard to concentrate in class. When they are too stressed, their academic performance may decrease even if they try their best. Secondly, focusing only on high scores can reduce students' interest in learning. They may see school as a burden instead of a place to grow, develop their skills, and explore talents. Education should help students think creatively and understand lessons, not just chase high scores. In addition, academic pressure can also affect their physical health and social life. Many students don't sleep enough and have little time to spend with family or friends. As a result, this imbalance can make them feel isolated and exhausted. Lastly, expectations from parents can make the situation harder. Even though parents want the best for their children, too much pressure can make teenagers afraid of making mistakes and lose confidence. So, why is this issue important to discuss? This issue important to discuss because teenagers' mental health matters a lot. If we ignore this problem, many students may feel tired and lose their motivation to learn. To sum up everything that I have said, academic pressure affects teenagers in many aspects of their life, including their mental health, physical health, and social life. So, schools and parents need to work together to create a supportive learning environment. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.